As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Genesis E335. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely an investment at $1,049 compared to the Char-Broil at around $370. What are you hoping to get out of a new grill?
Well, I want something that's going to last, cooks evenly, and has enough space for when I have friends over. The Char-Broil says it has 475 square inches of cooking space, which sounds pretty good.
The Weber doesn't explicitly state its primary cooking area, but it does boast an extra-large sear zone, which is a plus if you're a steak lover. Plus, it's got the Weber crafted system, so you can swap out grates for pizza stones or griddles. Pretty fancy.
Ooh, that sounds cool. But is it worth the extra $700? The Char-Broil has a side burner and illuminated control knobs, which are nice features. And it's got a 10,000 BTU side burner.
The Weber has a side burner too, and its pure blue burner system is supposed to deliver really even heat, minimizing flare-ups. I've heard good things about that. It has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, known for great heat retention and searing.
Even heat is important. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates too. What about size? The Char-Broil is a bit smaller overall, which might be better for my patio.
The Weber is definitely bigger. Dimensions are 27 dx 57.7 inches, WX 48.1 inches H, and heavier at almost 200 pounds. The Char-Broil is only 85 pounds.
Wow, that's a big difference. I like that the Char-Broil has an electronic ignition and a temperature gauge on the lid. Seems pretty standard.
The Weber has those too, but it also emphasizes its grease management system, which makes cleanup easier. Plus, its flavorizer bars are supposed to enhance the grilled flavor.
That sounds appealing. I hate cleaning the grill. And I do like a good smoky flavor. It's a tough call. The Char-Broil seems like a solid, budget-friendly option, but the Weber seems like a serious grilling machine.
Exactly. It depends on your priorities. If you want reliable performance and upgrade options, the Weber is worth considering. But if you're looking for a good grill at a great price, the Char-Broil could be the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.